Hi everyone and welcome back to our little UK fish room. The F3 results are in, so I'm going to separate the males and give you a detailed close-up view of the results. So to recap for this cross, we mixed a male Ginga Rubra Guppy with several female blue star Endlers. And these are the F3 results from the cross. For anyone who hasn't seen the F1 and F2 videos, I'll link them to the end screen of this video and in the description down below. The F3's are consistent with the F1's and F2's in appearance. The F3's produced their first blonde offspring in a previous video, and we have that here. Luckily it was a male, but in my opinion he is not as nice as the non-blondes. The fish appear more vibrant than in the previous two videos, as we are using a far superior lighting system to film this one. Because they are essentially breeding true, we are thinking about colony breeding them in larger numbers now in a 450 litre aquarium and seeing what happens with them from there on. What do you guys think of this cross? Would you continue to work with this Endler Guppy strain? Would you buy them if they're in a shop? I'm interested to know your thoughts on this one, guys, because before we sacrifice one of our big 450s just for this strain, it'd be quite good to get some feedback from you. Well, that about wraps up this video. Do stay tuned to the channel if you like this sort of content, as we have two other crosses in the early stages of development. We also have the F2 results of a leer-tail guppy crossed with a blonde double sword guppy. As always, please do take care of yourselves, and we will see you again soon with the next video, which will hopefully be a complete fish room tour, as we've made absolutely loads of changes in terms of what we're keeping now. Thanks for watching.